Hello and welcome to another video tutorial of Marquee Addons. Today we are going to show how can we create Advanced Text Marquee for our WordPress website. To create this Advanced Text Marquee effect, we need two plugins, Marquee Addons and Marquee Addons Pro. I will add both plugin link in the video description. So let's get started. And we can also search here like Advanced, and this widget will appear. So let's drop that in Elementor canvas. Okay, so we can see that text marquee is running, Advanced Text Marquee. For Advanced Text Marquee, we can add icon for each items, like here we can change icons like this, and we can also upload custom SVG icon for each text item. And there is also another option called background masking. If I enable that, we can see here an option to add image. So I have added an image for this item. So right now it's not visible because text is too small. And also we can see here another option called gaps. We can add gaps between each items. For an example, these items create gaps between each items, and it's add gaps top and bottom like this. And we can also add unlimited text item and also remove them. And there is another option called marquee options. This one actually advanced option for Marquee Addons. If we turn this off, this text will be paused, it will not run. So when it's running, so when we want to run that, we always have to turn on this marquee options here. And we can also show that we can also turn it on in vertical. So right now it's running vertical and it's running bottom to top. And when we add reverse option here, it will run top to bottom. And there is another option, pause on hover. When we hover on text items, it's paused, and when we stop this settings, it's actually not gonna work. So this is how actually it's working. So let's go to horizontal mode, and there is option called drag to scroll. If we enable that, we can see a drag option like this. We can scroll left to right and right to left like this when we enable this drag to scroll option. And there is also speed for it. We can add additional speed for scroll. And there is also another option called edge shadow. So when we add right now we can't see that because of its background. Right now it's white. So we can also change its color from style tab. So right now I don't need that. And this one is scroll effect. So how it's work? So it's pause. So when you scroll, it's run. If I keep here some paddings, then we can see the effect. 500. Okay, bottom 500. So if we scroll that, so if we scroll to scroll down bottom to top or top to bottom, we can see that it's scrolling. So this is how actually a scroll marquee on scroll works, and we can also add speed for this scroll effect. And right now I don't need these paddings actually, and I'll turn off this option. It's running, so turn off this option also reverts. I don't need. Okay, so we can add here typography for each text item, like so. Right now there is, so we can also add font width from here and make it more, and make it uppercase. So right now we can see that our image is more visible to us. And if we change the background position here, so you can see position will be changed. Okay, so how actually it's work, and we can add color for items. Okay, right now there is a background image. We can add also some, we can speed up some here, 30, make it 30. Yeah, it's run faster than before. Okay, so right now for this text there is a background image, that's why it's not showing its color, but we can see here it's changed. And also you can add text stroke like this, and icon. Finally, for icons we have color. You can change the color of icons and make it larger. Okay, so, and we can also add space for icons. So this is how actually Advanced Text Marquee works. And another thing, its shadow. We can see here a shadow appeared. For this there is an option, its shadow. We can increase or decrease its size and add color on it like this. We can also blur it. And another option we need to talk about, show vertical options. For these options there will be an option like section height. We can increase or decrease this section height. So this is how actually Advanced Text Marquee work. Thanks for watching.